Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and in today's video I wanted to share with you my perfume collections which I have with me. And I think I have made another video a long time back, so I have added some new perfumes in my collection, so I'm super excited to share those perfumes with you all, and I hope you like them. I hope you like those perfumes. और अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड हिट लाइक राइट नाउ। और इसमें से अगर आपको कोई भी परफ्यूम्स अच्छे लगे हैं और मुझे उसके लिंक्स नायका पे मिल जाएगा, सो आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर दोज लिंक्स इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। मेरे टाइटल पे क्लिक करना, एक ड्रैग डाउन बॉक्स ओपन हो जाएगा, उस पर सब लिंक्स मैं शेयर कर दूँगी, तो आप वहाँ से ले सकते हैं। और आई एम श्योर वहाँ पे अभी कुछ अच्छे से ऑफर भी चल रहे हैं, सो गो एंड चेक राइट अवे and let me know what's your thoughts on these perfumes. Okay, so the first one, my favorite is from Carolina Herrera. That's the brand, and this was gifted. Most of my perfumes are gifted by my husband because I love perfume. So whether it's an anniversary, marriage anniversary or birthday, he always gives me a perfume. So this is the one which I purchased, and I took this from India only. So it has amazing fragrance. Look at the packaging, and you need to press here and the perfume comes out from here. So the outer cover जो box होता है ना, वो मैंने फेंक दिया है because it's almost more than 6 months and I didn't want to keep that stuff now in my wardrobe. So it looks so beautiful and classy when you keep this in your dressing table. It looks really beautiful, and it's really nice perfume to gift it to anyone, whether it's a marriage or birthday, anything. You can gift it, and the price of this was approximately 7 or 8ish, 7,000 or 8,000. So if I find this, and these some of the branded perfumes are also available on Nykaa and they are on good offer as well. So if I find any of these links, you can definitely check that out. I will share it in my description box. So that is CH, that is Carolina Herrera. The next I have, that's my husband's favorite, and this may be the second or the third bottle, Issey Miyake, and it's an amazing fragrance. If you want to gift it to a boy, a man in your life, I would definitely recommend get this one. See kitna use hua hai. This is also getting over, so he will be placing a second one as well. So it has amazing fragrance, and बस ये आधा जगह तो ये ढक्कन ही खाता है, and the main bottle is this much, but I would guarantee you will fall in love in this fragrance. So this is really amazing gifting to your man in your life. Even I love to use this. Even women wear it nowadays, male fragrance, because their fragrance is very amazing. Collection. I love the woody fragrance as well, not much of in floral. So this is Issey Miyake, and yeah, the name is here, Issey Miyake. So definitely buy this for your guy. The next I have is from Versace, and yes, आपको मैं दिखाई दूंगी, so मैं ज़रा ऐसे स्लान कर रही हूँ. So इसका पैकेजिंग मेरे दूसरे घर में है, मैं लेके नहीं आई हूँ. It is amazing in golden cover, and it's like this. You can see Versace's logo here bulging out, and इस पे भी है. There is logo. They are logo ही बोलते ना. Let me just. Yeah, so it's shining, and इसमें यहाँ पे प्रेस करते हैं, and I have not used so much because ये 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ, और ये मैं सिर्फ स्पेशल ओकेजन में यूज़ करती हूँ. So that's Versace Eros Pour Fame. Beautiful packaging, right? Yes, I am filming from my mobile. I don't know the price. I just remember the price of this because ये मैं खुद मॉल से ले रही थी. So that's the reason I know it. And when I got this, I got a free beach bag and one more bag. I don't remember, because along with this my husband also took one more perfume, so I got 2 bags with that. So that's Versace. The next I have here is this Polo Ralph Lauren. I don't know, there is no anywhere written over here. I think just remember the slogan, but let me check. अगर यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा, बहुत छोटा लिखा है. उल्टा पकड़ी, sorry. See, it's Polo Ralph Lauren. There you go. So this is also amazing, and इसका ढक्कन इस तरह से है और ये भी इतना हो चुका है. This is men's perfume, but I also use this. I love this, and this is amazing fragrance. But फिर भी इसे में one ही रहेगा. Next I have is from Givenchy Gentleman, and this is the new one, latest collection perfume which I have added. And my husband recently went to US, so it's just like a week back he came back. So that's a perfume, and this is the bottle. It has amazing fragrance, very mild, not at all gives a headache और एनी काइंड ऑफ सिकनेस. परफ्यूम का आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा अगर आपको कोई भी इशू है ना परफ्यूम्स पे. तो दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड माइल्ड. आई रियली लव द फ्रेग्रेंस. आई वुड से दैट दिस इज़ ऑल्सो क्लोज टू इसेमियाक फ्रेग्रेंस, उससे भी कम टोन में है. सो दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस माइल्ड. सो दिस इज़ Givenchy, एंड द पैकेजिंग से आई जस्ट केप्ट इट स्टिल, बिकॉज ये आई थिंक एक ही बार यूज़ हुआ है मेरे हस्बैंड से. सो ये बहुत ही न्यू है. The next I have is my perfume, and that is from Jimmy Choo Fever Natural Spray, and this is also their latest collection. I guess my husband just recently got this for me when he visited to US. And look at the packaging, look at this bottle, and this is also mild fragrances there, very mild, floral but mild. It gives rosy kind of fragrance. I guess that's the bottle, that's why the bottle color is pink. And this also looks so pretty if you keep it in your wardrobe like this. This looks so beautiful. So when my husband bought this, now मैंने जैसा इसको smell लिया ना, so I just एकदम से it got a flashback. That is I am roaming around the airport. वो दुबई का ड्यूटी फ्री शॉप्स होता है ना, जहाँ पे हमेशा उस तरह की खुशबू होती है. इट जस्ट गेव मी दैट वाइब. सो इट्स लाइक if you'll feel that you're roaming around the airport, the international airport side, the perfumes के stores होते हैं, so उस तरह की खुशबू है. It's very nice. I really love the fragrance of this, and the packaging came in like this. And along with this Jimmy Choo, they also gave my husband a tote bag. So look at this tote bag. बहुत ही बड़ा है. Can you see it? मुझे मोबाइल उठाना पड़ रहा है. And it is quite big, so huge the bag is. And it's मैंने actually इसका अभी तक हैंडल से भी निकाला नहीं है. Look at this packaging. I mean the detailing on the handle, Jimmy Choo का. It looks so nice. और normally tote bag में zips नहीं होते हैं, so there is no zip, but the pattern is or different. You need to put buttons like this, and it gives that kind of this way kind of shape when you carry it. इस तरह के फिगर हो जाता है इसका. जब हम बटन्स डालते हैं ना, तो इस तरह का फिगर हो जाता है. and it's quite huge, and it's really I'm waiting to travel. I'm super excited to carry this during my travel. आराम से ये मेरा लैपटॉप में कैरी कर सकती हूँ, चार्जर एवरीथिंग. एंड सी द लोगो इज़ ऑल्सो योर Jimmy Choo परफ्यूम. सो मुझे ये मिला है bag with this Jimmy Choo. They gifted to my husband. Last but not the least, you will be excited, you will really love to watch the packaging. And then this is, I never heard, I don't know why I didn't hear this perfume name, that is 1 million. I don't know, my husband was saying it's very famous in US and well known. So it's Paco Rabanne 1 million perfume. And guys, look at this packaging, it's just like gold biscuit. Wow, when I saw this, my पहला word मेरे मुंह से यही निकला, wow, look at this, it just look like a gold biscuit, isn't it? That's the perfume. और यहाँ पे प्रेस करना है और सामने से यहाँ से आता है। और इसकी भी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है, माइल्ड है, एकदम भी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है। एंड ऑल दिस these are Lux perfumes which is long lasting, like कपड़े धोने के बाद भी ना ये सब परफ्यूम्स की खुशबू जल्दी जाती नहीं है। So that's all for my collection guys. Let me know which is your favorite, आपको इसमें से कौन सा अच्छा लगा और आप कौन सा लक्स परफ्यूम यूज़ करते हैं। आई होप यू लाइक माई परफ्यूम कलेक्शन। डू सो गाइज, आपको इसमें से कौन सा परफ्यूम अच्छा लगा ज़रूर बताना। एंड लाइक किया कि नहीं, please hit like and subscribe my channel right now. Please share this video to all your friends and family on WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. Follow me on my Instagram ID is just chill with Pam. Follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, it's Pam Station. So till then, see you in my next video. Subscribe my channel, hit like, share, do all the good things. जो भी आप कर सकते हैं सब अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें करना इस चैनल पे. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.